Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Have you noticed that your laptop sounds like a jet engine? This is a common issue, often caused by dust buildup in the fans or failing fan components. If left unchecked, it can lead to overheating, which may damage internal components, ultimately leading to more expensive repairs. Now, let's get started on fixing this issue. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and a can of compressed air. Make sure you have a clean workspace and a container to keep your screws organized. First, begin by turning off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's essential to remove the battery if your model allows for it. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Remember to keep track of which screws go where, as they can vary in size. Once you've removed the screws, gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. Now, locate the cooling fans. They will typically be positioned near the CPU and GPU. Check for any visible dust accumulation around the fans, as this is often the culprit behind the noise. If you see dust, use the can of compressed air to blow out any debris. If the fan itself is damaged or noisy, you will need to disconnect it from the motherboard. To do this, carefully unplug the fan connector, ensuring you don't pull on any nearby cables. Next, remove the screws securing the fan in place, noting how many screws there are and their size. Once the screws are out, gently lift the fan out of its compartment. Now it's time to install the new fan. Position it correctly, ensuring it fits snugly into place. Reinsert the screws and reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is secured, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU if you had to remove the heatsink. This ensures optimal heat transfer. Now, replace the back panel and screw it back in place, ensuring all screws are tight but not over-tightened. Finally, reconnect your battery if you removed it and power on the laptop. Listen closely to ensure the fan is operating quietly and efficiently. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to clean the fans regularly, ideally every few months, and keep your laptop in a dust-free environment when possible. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.